Hello and welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have seen several comments here saying that there is no law in the United States that requires us to pay taxes. The United States tax system is indeed voluntary, so I thought I would make a quick video to hopefully clarify what voluntary compliance actually means. By the way, if you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe for more content and give this video a thumbs up to show your support. The tax code in the United States operates on a system of voluntary compliance, and in this context, the word voluntary does not mean that taxes in general are optional. It does not mean that it's up to us whether to pay them or not. Voluntary refers to the manner in which people pay their own taxes. Let me explain. The US tax code differs from the tax code of other countries in that it puts a lot of responsibility on us, on taxpayers, meaning we are the ones responsible for calculating what we owe and then making that payment. Or alternatively, we can claim a refund. This is not the case in many other countries where taxpayers simply don't have that type of responsibility. But in the United States, we are expected to voluntarily comply with the tax code by reporting what we owe to the government and then paying that entire amount that we owe. Remember, in my previous videos, I have already explained that if taxes are not paid or not paid in full, the Internal Revenue Service is going to follow a certain process, which I described in detail, to get the money that they believe they are entitled to. There is no U.S. tax law that would prevent the IRS from prosecuting those people who evade taxes or from seizing their possessions in order to pay off that tax debt, that tax liability. The Internal Revenue Service uses the IRC, Internal Revenue Code, as its applicable tax law when they send you your tax bill. Essentially, the Internal Revenue Code tells the IRS what each taxpayer is eligible for based on a set of individual factors, such as your income, number of dependents, and other criteria. So even though the US tax system is described as quote-unquote voluntary, it is only voluntary as it relates to how you pay your taxes, not whether you pay your taxes. There are serious penalties if a person chooses not to make those payments. Remember, if you underreport your income or overstate your deductions, for example, you will face fines and interest charges. If you fail to file a tax return, the IRS will file a substitute return for you based only on the information that they have at that time, meaning you won't receive the benefit of any deductions or tax credits that you may be entitled to. So the IRS also has the power to levy your bank accounts, to garnish your wages, and to place a lien on your property if you don't voluntarily pay what you owe to them. I shared the details of how that works in a separate video that is available here on my channel. You're welcome to browse and watch more content to help you understand what this means and how it works. In serious cases, you may even face criminal charges and/or jail time. So hopefully this quick video helps clarify how the US tax system works and whether or not compliance is optional. Before you leave, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. Those things really help support me here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time, and I will see you in my new one soon. Bye for now.